everything becomes unique. So if you're familiar with BGP, you know that BGP has this community attribute, extended community attributes that it uses for transporting the routes from one peer to another. The route targets, as I said, they are carried as extended community attributes. And you can define import and export route targets for each particular VPN on the peer routers. We will see how this is very useful in the next slide. The peer routers that service the same VPN have the same route target configured for that VPN. This ensures that the VPN specific information remains only in those relevant peer routers. Now this is where the security comes into picture, which means the service provider is ensuring that there is no leaking of routes across the different VPNs. It can be associated with routes based on where they all lead to a specific site or QoS. Now let us see the example of how route targets can be used. Now let's look at the slide here. On the top we have a peer router which is providing service to two different VPNs, VPN A and VPN B, and they have their corresponding remote sites. At the VPN B site 2 is all the way at the bottom, and the VPN A site 2 is all the way to the right. Now let us see how we can use the route targets to ensure that there is connectivity between the sites of VPN A and then sites of VPN B. So you define all your route policies and VPN definitions at the edge router, right? And then you create all the different VPNs. And when you get updates from a particular site, then you send the BGP update by using the route targets. Whatever is configured as the export route target, you send that update with that export route target. And on the other side, you are going to configure import route targets. So only when the export route target matches the import route target, those routes are installed in the edge router. So that way you ensure that only the routes exported by VPN A with the export route target A gets installed in on the remote site wherein he is configured with to import route target A. So that way there is the service provider ensures that there is no routes of one VPN are not going to the route